Watch out, here I come.
Full Circle 6 is a collaboration between 6 very beautiful and talented individuals.
Full Circle 6 is a consortium of 6 women who each represent different disciplines.
We have a fashion stylist, we have a chef.
There's also an organizer, a wellness expert, a concierge, and an interior designer.
They're all amazing and they're all talented women.
We're like a lifestyle dream team.
We all bring our A game no matter what it is. That's Full Circle 6.
I am Jen Doman. I'm a professional organizer. I go and I organize people's crap for their events, in their homes, their offices. Anything you want to do, I can do it. Wouldn't it be better if we consolidated into like 1 instead of 20? I'm not, oh, let's sit and chit chat. No, I'm not interested. What's the job at hand? Let's go. I gotta get through it and just keep moving.
My name is Dina Ferrugia. I'm a concierge. We're on schedule. Everything looks good. A concierge is jack of all trades. It's basically making your life simple. Did you have a good flight?
I did.
You get that free? When clients are hiring me, they're hiring me because I do have the connections and I'm able to get them into a place that they want to get into or get them the service that they're asking for. They know that I can get the job done.
I'm Annie Faye, I'm the interior designer. Take a look at this place. When I create an all-inspiring place for my client, I feel wonderful. It's like I help them make a better environment for themselves. I want to create more of a busy look, so it brings out the different textures in this whole space. I have clients that always told me, we were kind of skeptical at first, you look so young and so inexperienced, but once you start working, you were, wow.
My name's Lindsay Messina, and I'm the wellness expert.
3, 2, and 1. Great job.
I'm 90% shrink and 90% ass kicker.
Come on, awesome. Squeeze. 2 more times. Come on.
I could honestly say I'm one of the best personal trainers in the country because not only do I deliver results, I deliver self-confidence, and trust me, at one moment or another, you will cry.
I'm Sharon Pandana, and I'm a fashion stylist. It's so feminine, so fresh. You just look stunning. Fashion is a way of demonstrating who you are without having to say a word. And I like to help clients sort of access that part of them to show who they really are. Having a stylist on your side is like having a fashion fairy godmother.
My name is Vanessa Bush, and I'm a chef. Always love cooking. I love entertaining. It's one of my favorite things to do.
Well, I'm the one who everybody goes to when it's time to eat. I make sure that the food looks amazing, that it tastes fantastic, and that we deliver what the client really wants, which is to handle all the details so that they can sit back and enjoy themselves, and that's what we do.
I'm really impressed with all of the women that I'm working with. Jen, who brought us all together, is clearly a visionary.
You have 6 people from 6 completely different walks of life. I felt that this mix would work well together, and I knew that they would get along.
We're like a cog in a wheel. We're definitely individuals, but when we come together, that's the whole wheel, that's the magic.
There is nobody else in the world like Full Circle 6 that has the experience that we have, that has the backgrounds we have, that has the passion for what we're doing that we have, and that's just ready to bring it, no matter what.